VIP my squad, drop off all the gang. VIP the lane, VIP the chain. VIP my squad, drop off all the gang. VIP the lane, VIP the chain. Yeah, color alert, look at.
So today I'm gonna be filming a video with Carbon Exhaust, my exhaust sponsorship. And today we're going to see if I can break wine glasses with my exhaust, with my flames basically. Like, one of my friends did it and it trended. He broke like over 100,000 views, I believe, on Instagram. So he called me out in a friendly way and he said, let's see if you can do it. So I'm heading over right now to Carbon because they bought the wine glasses. I just got to fill up my gas and I'll be on my way. So I'm going to be using the Canon and then my GoPro to get the thing, because I do not want to stand too close, because in the video that my friend did, the glass was like literally like this close to hitting his sister's face. So I don't want my girlfriend or anyone near that when it's happening, because it could be dangerous. So right now I'm heading over there. I'll pick up the vlog once I get to the shop, and I'll explain a little bit more once I get the camera set up, because I'm gonna be using this too for the Canon. And then here's my child. I swear, I'm always here, guys. I swear. I'm not making this stuff up. It's impossible. Just got to Carbon Exhaust and we're about to start filming.
Yes.
Jesus.
Why would we not use clear tape?
Alright guys, so we're about to start right now. They're getting the wine glasses set up and then we're gonna go ahead and start.
My life. Got that, bro.
Jesus.
I might have moved.
You did move for sure.
It worked.
Dip, bro. He dipped. Watch.
Bro, that shit was fucking loud, dude.
There's no way it got this far.
Look at all the glass. When
Jesus.
you look up everywhere, you just see glass everywhere.
Oh my god. I am like so shocked right now. He wants me to do it with the watermelon. I don't think that's possible. You think it is?
Dude, you'll fuck up a watermelon, dude.
Yeah?
Fuck yeah. What are we doing?
He wants me to do the watermelon challenge.
Go get a watermelon right now.
Alright.
Go get a fucking watermelon and let's do it.
Alright. You wanna go?
I want a michelada.
Oh my god. We are back now, and now they want me to deal with the watermelon and the Sprite. I don't know how this is going to work out. What's this? Oh, if any of you guys are Dodge Ram fans, they just released an exhaust for it. It's all chipped. Alright, well, time to move the Mustang back to where it was. And I will be editing this tonight, so this is kind of like a daily vlog of what happened today on Friday. So I'll be editing this tonight and uploading it tomorrow morning for you guys, and for the people on Instagram that are watching this, because I know a lot of you really want to see it, but I gotta tease you guys a little bit so you guys can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna let it warm up for a bit before we put the watermelon to the test.
We might do it over here.
Over there?
Yeah.
ate some of the watermelon.
Hey, if anybody want them, throw it away. Savage.
Oh no! Ew!
Okay, I'm not.
What the fuck is wrong with you all?
I'm not eating that shit.
Hold on, this is really good.
You almost had it. You took the wrap off. The wrap is off.
Send it. Fuck.
No.
Oh, it's getting harder though. Fucking send it. Look at it.
Nah, it's not good. Alright, so we met the limit and stuff.
Sadly, could not pop the Sprite bottle because it's just too hard. But watermelon challenge was a success.
High key, I have the worst headache probably ever. This is not healthy. It's not good for your insides.
Mustang watermelon.
Yeah, dude.
Alright, just finished up at Carvin. Today was really fun. This is somewhat like a daily vlog. It should be uploaded by tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube video because it was probably by far one of my favorite ones ever filmed. It was really fun. Thank you guys.